How to remove gum from upholstery. Upon encountering gum that is stuck to your upholstery, spray a can of compressed air or apply a bag of ice until the gum hardens. Using a dull scraper, break the gum off of the upholstery. Using a handheld vacuum, vacuum any remaining gum residue. Take a cloth soaked in warm, soapy water and apply it directly to the affected area of the upholstery. Another method is to cut a piece of extra strength duct tape. Place the sticky side of the duct tape directly onto the gum and pull it away quickly. Keep repeating until the gum has lifted off the upholstery. One last method is grab a clean microfiber cloth and apply a generous amount of degreaser, such as Goo Gone, directly onto the microfiber cloth. Before you apply to the affected area, test a small part of the upholstery to make sure the solution doesn't cause discoloration. Once you apply the cloth to the solution, put pressure on the area in a circular motion. Follow this procedure up by cleaning the affected area with upholstery cleaner. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.